Hello everyone, today we are going to make a site which is on the screen. Here is the site of restaurant website, local restaurant website we are going to create. Today we are going to create only this particular section with navigation menu. We are going to use boilerplate and change the title to restaurant website. All the things are same as we and include link dot include link of CSS. All is going to set and is also include, this is a beginner level project, so also include script. Always careful when you are going to adding script, it is always last line of the body. This there is the body tag where the tag is closing and there is a script. The whole section of the whole page are going to upper of the script, upper part in the script. We are adding the index.js file and starting the navigation, starting the section called main. We don't need any id, so here we are starting. As we see, we are creating nav key. For nav we are using div with the class name navbar we are using, and in it, so we are break down it. We are going to break down navigate the whole, this whole page. So listen to me carefully. So this is the navbar. There is two section. One is holding for this, another is for this. So here we are going to create the navbar. We are using unordered list, in which we are unordered list and also a div. So as we say, we need two blocks in the navbar, so we are going to use the div div with the class name logo, because we don't need any, we directly use image. No, we need look. So render the whole thing correctly. Image, which is div is a block element and image is a inline element. Okay, image, there is no need of class, so we are directly using this. In media section we are jump into the, here is the logo of my YouTube channel. Alt is blank now, and we are using li multiply by 5, 6, and content, there is nothing here. So first is home, and we are now to start the home menu, offers, about, and contact. Home menu, offers, home menu, offers, offers, home menu, offers, and other thamara, about and contact. About and contact, there is a 5 section in this video. And also we are going to use image with group 23 SBG, I think. So close down another tabs. List.sbg we are going to use. So group 23 is not the right file. We are going to use list. I have to find the list. Here is the list. So everything is ready. and start the live server for now. Here is all set. Now starting the styling. First we use the universal selector, so we can implement the margin 0 pixel. Reset, we are going to reset the whole CSS, and padding also 0. And also we are using box sizing, border box border box, and starting from the main. Sorry for the background noise, there is some kind of noise here, but we are not replace this noise with anything other. So design this whole section, so it is simply gives the height of 715 pixel, 715 pixel, and width is going to 100%. As we say, we gave the bg, yeah, means background, which is going to red in this time, so we can see whatever is going on. Okay, perfect. Close this menu. We need 790, I think. Great height. Okay, everything is fine. And now we are going to create the navbar. Use the dot navbar, which is going to which is inside in main class. We are going, its height 30 pixel, 30 pixel, and bg is, sorry, bg is orange. Orange is not a color. Cyan is the color, so we are using cyan for just to set up this thing. And width, we are going to use the 90%. Total width is 90%. So here is our navbar. Navbar has the two thing. Okay, so here is our style.css. So we are going to, navbar has two blocks. One is logo and one is ul. So here, navbar, display of navbar, we are going to change it flex. We are selecting into flex because we need in a row everything. So here is a logo container, here's another list. Okay, so display is going to, now I am going to create the ul section also. So choose the navbar, and inside it ul is present, so we use this type of convention to create the whole section. Also we are going to change its display is flex. Okay, flex is the display of this. As we see, the all things are set in the row, but there is something else we need. So we are also changing the li, not display flex, but here Justify content is center, space between, space between, yeah, it is right, and align item is the center, center. Okay, this thing are done for the spacing and the content centering, so nothing is worry about it. Dot Navbar UL and li, this is the next convention, and we are going to change the li, some li properties, like we are going to change the list style, list style, which is none. To this we are eliminate the whole dots, which is here. So when inspect from here, so understand why we use the list style none. If eliminate list style, we found the dots, here is the dots, but we don't need in navigation menu, so simply we use list style none to eliminate these. And also we have to set the height and width. Okay, so here is the navbar, which is use, sorry, control z, which is use the width of 50%, width of 50%. Always remember these are relative of its parent. If I am using 50% of width, means I am using the whole width, I am using the width of this cyan section only. This is the total width we have in the navbar, and 50% of its width I am going to use. So always remember this thing, because you are a beginner, and this style name on the font, we change the font afterward. And here is also a one section which is called logo. So the follow the convention. Convention says that we always use inside container with its parent list style none, and also we are going to use width 50%. So 50% use 50% width have, both have 50% width. UL also, UL and logo both container have the 50% width. There is nothing change, so we are going to change it. Control C, Control V. With parent, I'm always using child. So here is the dot logo and sorry, image tag code. I'm going to target the image tag which is inside the dot logo container. So width height is 100%, width is width is so not 100%, width auto, sorry, width automatically get auto. So you can see here it is photo, so sorry, logo. And border radius 50%. When we use the 50%, its corner gets rounded. So here it is the very big advantage of it, border radius 50%. When we create the rectangle or square container to round, we always use border radius 50%, and there is some other methods too. Now move to the With Navbar section using width 90%. Height is so low, so we are going to use 50 key to 20, 50 100 pixel. So now check the height. It is too big, so we are going to use 80%. Now it is look good. I taking the reference with another side which I was created here before to there is the height, and we use the property of its whole things are box navbar. The height of this is 10% and width is 90%. Okay, so what is the 10%? 70%, 17 pixels के around होगी. 17 pixel is its height is good. So here it is, and rounded corners are there's a border radius also. Border radius 7 pixels, so we are going to use the border radius 70 pixel. Border radius 70 pixel, 70, sorry, 7 pixel. It's my mistake, so I'm going to correct it. 7 pixel. And the now the now we are going to discuss display. We are going to change the display of the main container also. Display, we are going to use flex to center the container, and line it display flex direction we are going to, because flex display automatically set all things in a row, but we don't need in a row. Flex direction column, and a line item don't need a line item. Justify content center, so all things are so set as we think. So here it is the problem. A line item is the right thing. I'm always confusing in this. Okay, control. So there is good. Not looking like this. So we are going to make it. So use the background FV8500 instead of cyan. Before get closed. Now everything is fine, but there is something missing in this whole thing. So padding, here we are giving the padding of where it is the padding is 0 and 36, means up and down 0, and it is 36. Padding navbar, we are giving the padding it's